by the fire and by the spirit. Protect our going out and coming in, yeah. And by the fire and by the spirit. Protect our going out and coming in, yes. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
We're born to be lions, here to defend the throne. An ancient pride that protects the daughters of Zion. Accompanied by priests on drums, prayers chant on our head and our heart, the Ark of the Covenant. Rastafari, in this time a new name stands for reverence of the Creator, remembering the Lord. In the Trinity, Selassie gives the power. Highly in the Lord, watch his word conquer.
By the fire and by the spirit. Protect our going out and coming in, yeah. And by the fire and by the spirit. Protect our going out and coming in, yes. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yes. Oh yeah, 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 yes. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now to stop the world from the violence. Turn all the madness into silence. Start to share and care for each other. And really take care of our mothers. Our Father is example for our unity. True teachings when you listen to His Majesty. The truth that is forever, lies are always only partially. Did you get that? Lies are only partially.
By the fire and by the spirit. Protect our going out and coming in, yeah. And by the fire and by the spirit. Protect our going out and coming in, yes. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yes. Oh yeah, 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 yes. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Genesis to Revelations, Ethiopia and Judah. The scriptures start and finishes with Mama Africa. Complete the circle of the Alpha and Omega. One jot in front and center. In and out, up and down, and awake and rest within and around. Set your eyes to uphold the crown. The King of Kings has come. Tell the countries, the cities and the towns. Behold, I hear the trumpet sound.
By the fire and by the spirit. Protect our going out and coming in, yes. By the fire and by the spirit. Protect our going out and coming in, yes. Oh yeah, 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 yes. Oh yeah, 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 yes. Oh yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah, yeah, yes.
I take a picture in the mirror. Try to realize my life a little bit clearer. Come to realize some people never speak the truth. When talking about someone, yeah, you must state the truth. Then listen to the energy to see the proof. Then the moral of the example is say uproot them. Far from the branches is say the roots. Then the leaves fall off